Dear traders, today I've thought about a new project that I should tell you about my broker, that is XNES. I want to introduce you with the XNES, that how it works. This broker is trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, and they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So today I thought to introduce you with XNES broker. So I will be telling you that this is the XNES site, and you can open it by typing xnes.global on Google, and this is how you will receive the main screen of this. And here I will be showing you that these are the tabs that you can see on it. Here is about, trading platforms, tools, partners, help, and if you want to open your account, you can click on it, or you can sign in afterwards when you will open your account with XNES from here by clicking from here. Today I will be introducing you with trading accounts, and you will be able to see that how these accounts work and what is the criteria of these accounts. There are two types of accounts. The first type of account is the standard account. As you can see here, the two types of accounts of standard accounts are standard and standard cent. These are the two accounts that you can use here. Reasons to choose standard account is if you are new to trading, our standard accounts are great choice for you. Our most popular accounts are market execution, stable spreads, and no recourse. As you can see here, there's the comparison between standard and standard cent account, where you can see the minimum deposit. It depends on payment system for both. The spread starts from 0.3 for both. Commission, no commission we will take for opening your account. Maximum leverage is 1, unlimited, and the same for standard cent. Instruments that you can use for standard are forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, indices, but for standard cent you can have forex and metals only. Minimum lot size that you can use for standard account is 0.01 for both, and maximum lot size you can use for standard account 200, and same is the case with standard cent 200. Maximum number of positions you can open until unlimited, and for standard cent 1000. Hedged margin 0%, margin call 60% for both, stop out 0% for both, and order execution market and swap free available. If you want to open your account for a standard cent, you have to open MT5 account, but for standard cent you should have open MT4 account. If you want to open it, you have to simply click from this button or from this button, and you will be able to open your account in XNES. Okay, the second type of account that I have told you before is the professional accounts. There are three kinds of accounts here: raw, spread, zero, and pro accounts. And the reasons to choose professional account is that if you are an experienced trader, these accounts are good fit for you. They come with low spread or raw spread or even spread free. Our professional accounts have execution to suit scalpers, day traders, and algo traders as well. Here, this is the comparison between raw spread, zero, and pro account. As you can see, the minimum deposit should be $500 for these three spread account. Spread for these three start with 0.0 for raw spread. For zero it is 0.0, and for pro it is 0.1 commission that you have to pay up to 3.50 each side per lot. From for zero account from $0.2 each side per lot, and there will be no commission for pro account. Maximum leverage unlimited for all three. Instruments that you can use for all three are forex, metal, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, and indices. Minimum lot size for all three are 0.01, and maximum lot size is 200 for each. Maximum number of position you can open unlimited, and hedged margin is 0% for all three, margin call 30% for all three, stop out is 0% for all three, and order execution is market. But for pro account it is instant, forex, metal, energy, stock, indices, but for market it is cryptocurrencies, and swap free available for all three. For all three accounts, you have to open MT5 account for raw spread, for zero, and pro account. If you want to open your account with these three, you can simply click on it and you can open your account with XNES. I have told you already that this broker is the professional broker where accounts that meet the needs of most experienced traders. Highlights include low spread or spread free accounts with execution to suit scalper, day traders, and algo traders. So if you want to open your account with Exness, you can simply click on open account and afterwards you have to sign in. I hope you like this broker and all the highlights that I have explained in my video. If you like this, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and use it for your own trading as well.